What if you could trade real stocks and ETFs with 1 to 200 margin, a feature no other regulated broker in Europe currently offers? Hey, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire.com, and over the past decade, we've reviewed hundreds of brokers, more than 80 each year. So with years of experience, we know exactly what to look for, from hidden fees to potential red flags. Today, we're checking out 50K, a new trading app that comes with a few features you most probably won't find anywhere else among regulated brokers. So what's the story behind it? Let's find out. Let's start with a feature that truly sets it apart. 50K is a regulated European broker licensed by CySEC. As part of its setup, 50K connects to top-tier providers, including big names like Deutsche Bank and Marex. This means you get deep liquidity, fast execution, and consistently competitive pricing when you trade. And here's the standout. You can trade real stocks plus crypto ETFs and commodity ETFs with a margin of up to 1 to 200, something you almost never see with fully regulated brokers. Just keep in mind that the available margin depends on the instrument and daily interest charges may apply. To give you a quick example, if you buy NVIDIA with just €1,000, 50K gives you access to up to €100,000 in buying power. With that kind of exposure, your potential profits and losses can grow much faster than if you were trading with only your own capital. But that's just the beginning. 50K adds a few other features that make the trading experience stand out. First up, bonuses. Here are the rewards available when you sign up. €20 welcome bonus. Basically, you don't need to deposit anything. Once you verify your account, you get €20 to start trading right away. You can't withdraw the bonus itself, but you can withdraw any profit you make from it. It's a quick way to try the platform if you prefer something more realistic than a demo account, which is also available. Just check the link in the description to see if your country's eligible. Up to €2,000 first deposit bonus. Your first deposit can unlock up to €2,000 in bonus funds, which adds extra trading power from the start. And there's a €200 invite a friend bonus. If you refer a friend who qualifies, you'll receive €200 in trading money. There's no set limit. You can earn the €200 bonus for every friend who signs up and meets the requirements. But please remember to always read the terms and conditions for any of these reward programs. Again, it's important to say that all these bonuses are trade money. You can't cash them out, but any profit you make is yours to withdraw. There are thousands of assets to choose from. Everything from popular US stocks like NVIDIA, Tesla, and Apple to major European names like SAP and L'Oreal. You can also trade gold and Bitcoin ETFs, as well as a selection of niche Asian stocks. All of these come with some of the highest margin levels available in Europe. There's also another feature that stands out: completely free trading tournaments. You can join as many competitions as you want, completely free, and compete for real trade money prizes. Think you know how to trade? This is a chance to test your skills with zero risk, just high margin trading for fun. Now let's talk about costs. Things are fairly simple with 50K. First, ETFs. All ETFs, whether it's gold, Bitcoin, or the S&P 500, come with 0% commission. There may still be other fees, but there's no commission on the trade itself. The same goes for US stocks. There's no commission when you buy or sell them, and unlike with CFD brokers, you're actually buying the real underlying asset, but you still need to remember that there's other fees that might apply. Of course, like on any platform, you'll still see market spreads, and if you open a position with margin, there's a daily interest rate, 0.033% per day. So the cost structure is pretty clear. You're trading the actual asset, and your cost mainly comes from spreads and the daily margin rate. The spreads are taken directly from the exchange without any markups added by the broker. In the end, it's just you and the market, without a complicated fee structure. Honestly, after looking at how their fees are set up, it felt unusually transparent and straightforward. We review more than 80 brokers every year, so we've seen all kinds of pricing models, and this one really stood out in a really good way. All those features sound great, but none of it matters if you can't trust the platform. So, can you rely on 50K with your money? The best way to check is by looking at their license. 50K is authorized and regulated by a Tier 1 regulator, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, or CySEC. This means that they have to follow strict financial rules under European MiFID regulations, which are designed to protect investors and keep markets fair. CySEC monitors how brokers operate, ensures client funds are kept separate, and enforces strict financial compliance. A key safeguard is that client funds must be held in segregated accounts. This means that your money is kept separate from the broker's own funds, and the broker can't use it for their own purposes. So it stays protected and accessible. Now let's move on to the trading app itself and how it performs in real use. First off, we found it's really easy to navigate. Signing up, adding and withdrawing funds, placing trades, everything just felt simple and pretty intuitive. When it comes to deposits, there are plenty of options available, so adding funds is quick and convenient. The app works on both iOS and Android and comes with a bunch of helpful tools. You can set up custom watch lists to track the stocks you care about, and there are built-in filters for things like top movers, risers, and fallers, EV stocks, meme stocks, and much more. The charts are powered by TradingView, so you get clean visuals, multiple timeframes, and a solid set of indicators. You also get key stock information such as financial stats, market sentiment, and analyst price targets all in one place. And one standout feature is their proprietary market radar tool. It sends you real-time alerts on price spikes, news insights, and major market events so that you are always in the loop. We went through the app ourselves to see how all of this works in real use. So let me show you what it looks like. So here's 50K app and we're on the home screen. At the top you can scroll through top stocks by category like popular or risers and fallers. There are some very interesting categories here. It's important to note that this app is all about real stocks and ETF trading with high margin. At the top of the screen you can also see that they offer a free €20 trade money promotion. Let's tap on that. This means users can receive a €20 bonus to trade on a real account. The promotion's available in certain EU countries, so please check the FAQ page on the 50K website. All you need to do is sign up, verify your account through the quick onboarding process. You can sign up with WhatsApp, email, Apple ID, or other options. And after you complete the onboarding process, which typically takes just a few minutes, the €20 is instantly credited to your account. As you can see here, it's been added to the top. Now let's move on to the first deposit bonus. We'll open the deposit section. You can tap through different preset amounts or enter a custom amount, and you'll see the bonus update accordingly, up to €2,000 in certain EU countries. And you can choose from several fast and secure payment methods, including Apple or Google Pay, credit card, and PayPal. Let's go ahead and complete a deposit. I can view my account summary, including profit and total account value. Now we're back on the home screen. You'll be able to view all your key account details under the account summary. You can also search for any stock you want. Let's search for NVIDIA. I can add it to my watch list and see it appear right here. Let's go into a bit more detail. So let's open NVIDIA. We have the live price chart. The resolution is from every tick to 1 week. Here we also see the likely profit and loss, a simulator to show potential outcomes based on past performance. Although past performance is not indicative of future results. You also get key statistics and much more detail on the stock. Here you see the stock is offered at 1 to 100 margin, and here are the trading hours, which include pre and post trading. We can also open the chart full screen. The charts are powered by TradingView, and again, you can toggle between the different timeframes. There's also a range of technical indicators. For example, let's add MACD, and then let's add a moving average. Now, if you want to execute a trade, let's say I want to go long, I choose the amount I want to invest. Let's say it's €100. Here, I can see the expected value of the trade after applying margin. This is the trading power I'm getting due to margin. I can turn on a limit order if I want to, and I can set the stop loss and a take profit. This is the position I want, so I confirm and the trade is opened. Very easy and intuitive. Of course, this is for illustrative purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. If I want to see my open position, it's right here in the portfolio screen. I can manage it from this screen, adjust the stop loss, modify the take profit, or close the position entirely. When the market is open, the position closes instantly. If the market is closed, the order becomes pending. Another powerful tool is the market radar. This is where you can find financial news, updates, and real-time market insights. You also receive price alerts on specific instruments. Let's scroll down. Here we have some gainers and losers. And scrolling further, we have news powered by their own AI tools, which are trained to be very accurate. And we keep scrolling to find more interesting updates, all summarized by AI. If I want to buy a stock directly from this radar, I can do that. I just open a quick trade with one tap and the position appears immediately in my portfolio. Now, if I want a specific price alert, I can also do that here. I just enter the stocks page, tap the price alert icon, and choose the price I want. When the price hits, I get a notification. Just make sure that you allow 50K to send push notifications. Next, let's explore another important feature. We'll open the side menu and tap invite and get €200 bonus each. Here you can generate your own personal referral link and share it with your friends. You also have a dedicated dashboard where you can track all of your invited users. Finally, let's go back to the side menu again and open the tournament section. Here you can see all available tournaments that you can join completely for free and compete for real prizes. These tournaments refresh regularly, so there's always something new to try. Overall, the 50K app is easy to use. You get built-in watch lists, clean charts, and helpful stock indicators like analyst price targets. Market Radar adds something extra, and the app performs better than many others we've reviewed. So after going through all of this, the real question is, can 50K actually help you level up your trading? Well, let's run through the pros and cons. Here's what we liked. Traders can use powerful margin up to 1 to 200, short selling and pre-market access on selected US stocks, so there is plenty of flexibility. You get 0% commissions on all ETFs and US stocks, only the spread applies, plus low fees for European stocks. There's a wide range of stocks and ETFs from major global markets. The app offers several bonus options, including a €20 welcome bonus, a first deposit bonus of up to €2,000, and a €200 invite a friend reward. There are free trading tournaments with real trade money prizes, non-withdrawable, which are fun to join and cost nothing. You get 16/5 trading for US stocks. TradingView powered charts make the experience smooth and familiar. And importantly, the app is fully regulated under CySEC and shows a strong level of transparency. It also works with top-tier providers like Deutsche Bank and Marex, which helps ensure deep liquidity and reliable execution. Deposits and withdrawals are quick and straightforward. Also, you can trade crypto ETFs, no need to deal with crypto wallets or blockchain transfers. Now, here's a few things to be aware of. 50K offers limited technical analysis tools. Some indicators are missing, and there are no drawing tools. There isn't much educational content, though switching between demo and live accounts is simple. It's currently mobile only. There is no desktop or web platform yet, although it is planned for the future. And even though their crypto and commodity ETFs are among the most popular in Europe, their trading windows are narrower compared to those of the actual assets. So who's 50K best suited for? The app has something to offer for different types of traders. Day and short-term traders can make use of the margin to increase their buying power, short selling on certain stocks to trade when price drops, and extended US trading hours. Plus, with zero commission on US stocks, spread only, and low fees for other markets, trading costs stay minimal. News traders can benefit from pre-market trading on certain stocks, giving them the chance to react to major moves before the regular session opens. And casual traders will appreciate the simple, intuitive layout and built-in stock filters that make it easy to spot what's moving. If you feel like the app suits your trading style, you can check it out using the link in the description or in the top right corner. New users can claim the welcome bonuses. Just remember, investing involves risk. Only trade with money you're prepared to lose, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Thanks for watching, and if you want more breakdowns like this, you'll find plenty on our channel. I'll see you there.